Hello everyone. Today I'll be reviewing one other book, that is Animal Farm, which is being written by George Orwell, and I think it is quite very important for all these English literature student of Bachelor of Arts and or Master of Arts in English literature. So starting from the background, actually the setting of this Animal Farm is in the Manor farm. Later it was renamed as Animal Farm because Animal actually conquered it. But what is the actual context is that the whole story is an allegory to Russian Revolution. In Russia, people fought against communism, capitalism to bring socialist ideologies. But what happened was that the people who were in the power after overthrowing the initial tyranny of capitalist and communist, what happened was that the people betrayed socialist ideologies and they actually had now the exploitation of the power which they got after that. So in the similar way, the George Orwell has tried to show all those things in this chapter, but in symbolic way. So I was telling you about the setting. So setting was in Manor farm, that is of animals. Animal were being there in the farm, and it was of Mr. Jones. One day, all the animals, and especially there was an old pig who was called as Old Major. He said that he had got a dream where he dreamt of a place where there was power of animals, and he said that now we'll make our own farm which will be called as Animal Farm. And the next they rebelled against Mr. Jones and they overthrew him. And also now next thing was that he died. Old Major died, but there was also many of the things were like battle of Cowshed is being there. Cowshed means the battle was being fought in Cowshed. Later on, that was being done by Mr. Jones to get back his own farm, but he was defeated by animals. And especially there were two characters, Napoleon and Snowball. So now these two are like Snowball and Napoleon. They always debated on very opposite topics. So what happened was that Napoleon actually, they both become rivalries, and Napoleon then overthrow Snowball from their own power, and now all the power were being in the hands of pig. And all the animals which were working class like horse, sheep, they used to do a lot of work. Also they constructed a windmill during this era, and which was quite a long time it was being destroyed by storm sometimes, and later on by the people of other farm. But at the end what happened was that the conclusion is that the pigs started to live in very luxuries, but all the people who were working, they suffered like they were suffering in the time of human as well. So it is all being about the people who are the working